Hi, my name's Ian and welcome to the channel if you've not been here before, and if you have been here before then welcome back. This is part 5 of our 2-week Canarian cruise that we went on back in December. In this particular video we visit Puerto Del Rosario, if I'm spelling it right or even saying it right, in the island of Fuerteventura. It's quite a short video, this one. We didn't really pick up too much in the way of any footage. It was on a Sunday and there wasn't much to do on that particular day apart from I'll go for a bit of a walk and go to the beach. But anyway, I shot a bit of footage on that, so here it is for you to see. I appreciate it if you can like and subscribe to the channel as well as hit the notification button, because there's plenty more to come on this channel during 2023. So enjoy Fuerteventura. Good morning and welcome to Fuerteventura. It's a beautiful day. I'll show you around a bit. Well, here in Fuerteventura we get the boat washed. It's the local boat cleaning service. Jet wash it, 50 quid. One side only. This is the beach that we just come across. We just come literally out the port, turn left, and it's absolutely superb piece of sand beach here. I think we will be dipping our toes in the sea later on once we've been out for a walk to the shops. Good view of the boat in the dock. Talking of beautiful views, here's the missus.
He's after something, folks.
This up here is a whale carcass. Just come up onto this elevated section. I think it might be part of an old castle or something, I'm not quite sure, but gives a good view of the area. And by the way, welcome to Fuerteventura. Oh,
Dangerous with those ferry lights across the
it just reading some information. These are actually old baking kilns. Well, I left the port about 10 minutes ago and just sort of turned left and sort of headed along the seafront. So it's very nice. About 23 degrees at the moment, hardly a breath of wind in the air, which for Fuerteventura apparently it's known as the windy island. It's certainly not windy at the moment. I think this is another one of those kilns that we came across earlier on. That was another one there. So well, there's a gate there, I'm not going to go inside it, it looks like people have. Not sure how it's being picked up, but there's a chipmunk down there, and there's quite a number of them. I've sort of walked up through the town now, we're back onto the harbour area, back towards the boat. I must say it's quite pretty down this bit. There are odd bits that need a bit of modernisation, but I'd say the main sort of pedestrian areas are quite nice. Leanne, what do you think to the nice sea?
It's
Refreshing. This is absolutely idyllic. A fine way to spend a Sunday afternoon with my beautiful wife. Look, there she is in the picture.